First, open the Animator window by clicking on Window, then Animation and Animator. This will bring up the Animator window, which looks like an empty grid if you're starting fresh. But if you've already created animations, you'll see them here after selecting your object. Every Animator setup includes these three key elements: Any State, Entry and Exit. The Entry node is where the animation starts. It connects to your default animation. Any State acts as a universal connection point, allowing transitions to occur from any animation. Finally, Exit is used to end an animation flow or move to another system. Those four animations are an example I set up for a character. You can see how to make one watching this video. To make more than one from the same object, you simply click here. Let's keep going. By left clicking to a state and then clicking Make Transition, well, you make a transition. This arrow is a transition between the animations. It means the character can move from standing to walking when the conditions are right. You can make as many transitions as you wish. This orange transition is the first one, meaning that when the scene starts, your animator will run this animation from entry. To change it, you click on Set State Machine Default State. I want my character to have its standing animation as a default. Then, from standing, it could change to walking or to jumping, and so on. You can make those connections however it fits better for your game. On this left window we have layers, which are used to organize your animations, and parameters, which are variables that you can create to control your animations. They have four types: float for decimal values, bool for true or false conditions, int for whole numbers, and trigger, which is like an event to start an animation. Let's create a trigger as an example called isWalking. You can now assign that trigger to a transition. Whenever this trigger is activated, the animator will move the character from standing to walking. As you can tell, you can make as many triggers as you like for your transitions, and you can connect your states however fits your game. To use this trigger on your code, you're going to need a reference to your animator. And then call it by using setTrigger and the name of your trigger. As you can see, the animator system is incredibly versatile. You can create as many parameters, states and transitions as your game needs and control them all through your code. With a little practice, you'll have some smooth and dynamic animations in no time. I hope you learned something from this today, and thanks for watching.